How to use ChatGPT for online learning. You can use ChatGPT for online learning by asking questions related to a particular topic, subject, or course. ChatGPT can provide you with information, resources, and explanations that can help you better understand the topic. Here are some ways you can use ChatGPT for online learning. 1. Ask for definitions or explanations of key concepts or terms related to your subject or topic of interest. 2. Ask for resources such as online articles, videos, or books that can help you better understand a topic. 3. Ask for practice exercises or quizzes to test your knowledge. 4. Ask for advice on how to improve your study habits or learning strategies. 5. Ask for recommendations on online courses or tutorials that can help you learn the topic more thoroughly. 6. Get feedback. ChatGPT can provide feedback on your work or assignments. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to review an essay or programming code and provide suggestions for improvement. 7. Connect with others. ChatGPT can also help you connect with other learners or experts in your field. You can ask ChatGPT for recommendations on online forums, groups, or communities that may be helpful for your learning. Remember, ChatGPT is a language model and does not have the ability to interact with real-world tools or applications. It can provide you with information and guidance, but it cannot perform actions on your behalf. Here are some reliable resources that can help you use ChatGPT for online learning. 1. OpenAI's GPT-3 API documentation. This documentation provides information on how to use GPT-3 to generate text, answer questions, and complete other language-related tasks. 2. OpenAI's GPT-3 demos. These demos showcase various applications of GPT-3, including language translation, text completion, and chatbot interactions. 3. Online learning platforms. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX offer a wide range of courses and tutorials on various subjects. You can use ChatGPT to ask for recommendations on which courses to take or to clarify concepts that you find difficult. 4. Educational websites. Websites like Khan Academy, TED-Ed, and Crash Course offer educational videos and articles on various subjects. You can use ChatGPT to ask for resources or explanations related to a specific topic. 5. Online forums. Online forums like Reddit, Quora, and Stack Exchange have communities of users who can answer questions related to various subjects. You can use ChatGPT to ask for advice or to clarify concepts that you find difficult. Remember to always evaluate the reliability and accuracy of the information you receive from ChatGPT and other online sources.